What is your favorite shape?
Taco.
Circle. What fruit is circle?
Dip.
That's oval.
Apple.
Yeah. What else? What is your favorite?
Taco is spoon.
Oh, okay. What is your favorite bread?
Hot bed.
What's that?
Hot bed.
With cheese?
Yes.
How about pizza?
Not good for healthy. Not healthy.
Not healthy.
No.
How about chocolate and blueberry?
I think how this I should do it.
Why it's hard to choose? Blueberry or chocolate?
Pocket.
Chocolate? Hindi ka papasa sa